Welcome back to the channel, guys. Now let's take a look at what we will be expecting for the day on our gold. Yesterday when we did analysis on our gold, which is for the 14th, if you have not watched it, you can go back to the channel to watch it. Our prediction that was that gold will give us a bullish move to test our resistance level, and gold eventually gave us a bullish move. We were anticipating it to give us, right? Gold was around this level here. This was where markets closed, right, for the 13th. Then on the 14th, we did prediction and we said that gold will give us that bullish move and tap our resistance level. And this is exactly what gold did. Gold gave us that bullish move. So this is one of the reasons why, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel and you have not done that yet, make sure you do well to click on that subscribe button now, like, share, make your comments. You can also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now let's see what we will be expecting this week on our gold. First thing first, we need to know our trend. That is the first thing first. What is the trend on this your gold? And it is very clear that gold is in an uptrend move. You can clearly see it here, right? There is a series of higher high and an higher low, right? Multiple higher high and an higher low. Now, take a look at it here on our gold. If this is our high, this year is the higher low, and markets eventually did another higher high. Here comes the higher low. Market was able to push up to give us another higher high. You can see it, right? This is our another higher high, and here comes the higher low. So this was the prediction where I did yesterday, and I told you guys that markets will push up to come to this resistance level, and market did that. And guess what? Not only does it cap the resistance level we talked about yesterday, it also broke above this high here, which is our previous high. So thereby, market has formed a new higher high for us, and here comes the pullback. So our next movement on gold is another bullish move that should eventually form a new higher high. So guys, what we should be anticipating for next on gold is a bullish move. And we should be expecting that bullish move to form a new higher high, thereby taking out this previous high. So a bullish move, a buy for the day is what we'll be expecting on our gold. Now, could there be any changes to this movement that we just predicted? Yes, there could be changes. But if there will be any changes, I'll make sure I let you guys to know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, all you just need to do is click on that subscribe button, like, share, make your comments, and also follow the Telegram channel to stay updated. I will be putting the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section.